In this practice, the period of the Earth's rotation axis precession is the 2.58 times 10 to the fourth years. Calculate the torque on the Earth. So we consider the Polaris. This is the Polaris. And the Earth exists and the spinning around the rotational axis of the Earth. This corresponds to the North Pole. Okay, Earth is spinning. Because of the spinning motions, the shape of the Earth is not a complete circle. It becomes elliptical shapes. Then the Sun is located in this direction. Sun. Then, if we consider the complete spherical shape of the Earth, actually there is no torque acting on the Earth, but this region is different from the spheres. This region much closer than the Earth. Then strong force is acting compared with the other side, first side of the Earth. Then this R cross F produces the torque on the Earth. Then this, because of this torque, spinning axis of the Earth is start rotating. And the returns. We call it, this is precessions of the Earth. So right now the North Pole is directed to the Polaris. It's this spinning axis is moving. Then we cannot use a Polaris to describe the direction of the North anymore in the futures. This period of the precessions is given by 2 pi over omega. This is equal 2.58 times 10 to the 4 years. So we call it, this is a precession of the Earth. So in this case, at first we'd like to discover actually the momentum, angular momentum of the Earth. So Earth is spinning. So angular momentum of the Earth can be obtained. L equal I omega. I, angular moment of inertia of the Earth, we have already discovered. Omega is a spinning angular speed. So it's every day it rotates spinning one time. So 2 pi should be divided 1 day. Then 1 day is 24 hours. Hours is 3600 seconds. So you could substitute these omegas here to find out angular momentum of the Earth. This is 9.8 times 10 to 37 times 2 pi divided by 24 times 3600. So kilogram meter square per second. This is the angular momentum of the Earth. And the torque and the precession angular velocity of the capital omega is related. Torque is gonna be L times omega. This is a torque acting on the Earth by the Sun. Okay, this torque. You can substitute these omegas from this equation. Then L is this equation. Then you can find out acting torque on the Earth by the Sun. So this becomes 5.5 times 10 to 22 Newton meters. So this is the torque acting on the Earth. So this is the answer to these questions.